friends, welcome back to Mother Made channel. Friends, today we will make sulphate free shampoo. So let's go. Friends, see, this is SCI powder. See the texture and the color. It is very fine in texture. So please cover your mouth and nose before starting this project. See, this is cocoa betaine. See its texture and color. Now I am mixing cocoa betaine with SCI powder. Friends, remember one thing, for SCI powder always use glass container. Now I have taken water in a large vessel and switched on the gas flame. Now I am putting this vessel, the vessel containing cocoa betaine and SCI powder, in this large container. Now I am putting another vessel which contains water in this large container. Now I am mixing it. The temperature should be 70 degrees centigrade. After removing from the flame, I am mixing it again properly. See, this is glycerin. I am mixing it in it. Now I am mixing warm water in it. Water should be added very gradually, a little at a time. Now I am mixing with spoon because it was not mixing properly with that stick. Now I am adding some more water and mixing it again. Now I am mixing water again. Now again I am mixing some water. Total quantity of water is shown on the screen. Now I am adding color. You can add any color of your choice. Now I am adding perfume. You can add any perfume of your choice. So now friends, your sulphate free shampoo is ready. See the thickness of the shampoo. See? Now let's see the pH level. The pH level is coming around between 6 and 7. So it is perfect for sulphate free shampoo. The range should be between 5 and 7. Now let's check the quality of shampoo. For that I have taken some water in a large vessel, and then I am adding a small amount of shampoo in water and then mixing it. See the result. Now I am filling it in bottle. Friends, at this stage, the shampoo is too foamy, so you cannot see its actual color. So I will leave it for 24 hours and show you the result after 24 hours. Friends, after 24 hours, see its actual color. Isn't it looking beautiful? Friends, to make it more shiny, I am adding pearl powder. I am adding a pinch of pearl powder in it and mixing it. Friends, after mixing pearl powder, it has become too foamy again. So the actual color is not seen. Again, I will leave it for 24 hours and show you after that. So friends, see the result. Isn't it beautiful? Friends, did you like my video? If you do, please hit the like button and share my video with all your friends and relatives, and do subscribe my channel. After pressing the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon there. Please press the bell icon. After pressing the bell icon, you will see three options on the screen. Please press the all button, which is on the top. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will receive notification whenever I make a new video in future. So please press the all button. Now friends, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.